Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Daily Life Talks, where we dive into the little things that make up our everyday routine. I'm Alif Ahmed, and today we're going to talk about the simple yet significant activities we do daily. So sit back, relax, and let's chat about what makes our daily life special. When we think about daily life, we often picture a series of repetitive tasks. Waking up, getting ready, going to work or school, and then coming back home. But if you take a closer, you will find that each day brings a new opportunity to make a difference, experience something unique, or learn something new. Let's start with mornings. For many of us, the day begins with the sound of an alarm clock, which can feel more like a daily challenge than a welcome invitation. We hit snooze once, twice, okay, maybe 3 times, but eventually we get out of bed and start our day. Some people like to kick off their morning with a cup of coffee or tea. The first sip is like fuel for the body and mind. Personally, I think it's more than just a drink, it's more of peace before diving into the day's activities. Then there is the morning rush, getting dressed, packing a bag, grabbing a quick breakfast. If you are a parent, morning might be even more hectic, trying to get the kids ready for school. It feels like a mini race against the clock. Once we're out the door, our daily routine can vary. Some of us head to the office, others to school, and some may work from home. No matter what we do, there is always a part of the day when we focus on our tasks and responsibilities. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but taking little breaks can make a big difference. For example, a quick walk outside during a lunch break can be refreshing. It allows us to clear out minds and return to our task with a new perspective. Evening are another interesting part of the day cycle. It's a time to unwind and relax after a long day. For some, it's a chance to spend quality time with family, while others may prefer to catch up on hobbies, exercise, or simply enjoy a good movies or book. No matter how our daily lives unfold, it's important to remember that even the most smallest activities can be meaningful. Whether it's morning cup of coffee, a walk in the park, or just a moment to reflect on the day, these little things shape our experiences and add value to our lives. So the next time you find yourself feeling like every day is just the same, take a moment to notice the little details. They might just bring a smile to your face and remind you that every day is indeed unique and it's one way. That's all for today's episode of Daily Life Talks. I hope you enjoyed this conversation and found a little bit of inspiration for your own daily life. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and share your thoughts in the comment below. I'm Alif Ahmed and I will catch you in the next episode. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.